yet another episode of Project Talk, PropTiger's initiative to connect home buyers to the experts in the industry from the comfort of their homes. I'm Sneha Sharon, and today we're going to talk about WTC Studios. I'm joined by Mr. Kamlesh Trivedi, DGM Sales and Leasing. Welcome. Mr. Shrenik Joshi, Manager Sales at WTC. Welcome. And PropTiger's Regional Head for Ahmedabad, Mr. Kamal Chandani. Welcome. Warm welcome to all my panelists. The project in focus today is Ridian Red WTC Studios in Gujarat International Finance Tech City, that is GIFT City. Now, WTC Studios is the coveted address. The company promises smart living spaces at the nucleus of business and amidst a world built around you and all your needs. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. Now, before we begin this session, may I request Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Chandani to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies they're representing. Mr. Trivedi.
Good evening. Yeah, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Just you can say introduce the company, Viridian Red, a name behind 13 World Trade Center in India. Viridian Red is a preferred partner of World Trade Center Association, New York, and its ongoing projects are World Trade Center GIFT City, Gujarat, World Trade Center Noida, World Trade Center Chandigarh, and this at present today we are going to introduce an investment opportunity with World Trade Center GIFT City. Thank you, Sneha. Kamal.
Good evening, everyone. I am Kamal. I represent PropTiger. We are a real estate advisory firm. We are in market since 2011. Serving our customers from end-to-end real estate solutions, right from identification of a property of their choice, help them, make the site visit done and getting them decide the unit of their choice with the developer. We are proud to be associated with a brand like PropTiger, and we have successfully sold around 25,000 units to our happy home buyers.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. Now, before we begin the Q&A session, here's a small project video for our viewers.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be amongst the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the river bank of Sabarmati. While transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-speciality hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, this city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination. Gujarat International is an integrated development, 186 acres of land, which includes office spaces, residential apartments, schools, hospitals, hotels, clubs, retail, and various recreation facilities, which makes the city a truly walk-to-work city. The city is located on the bank of river Sabarmati, connecting the business capital Ahmedabad and the political capital Gandhinagar of Gujarat state, the growth engine of India. GIFT City is set to be the new financial and technology gateway of India for the world. The World Trade Center network, headquartered in New York, comprises of office complexes across 319 cities in 88 countries and serves over 1 million companies. Each World Trade Center serves a purpose of helping the business development of its member companies by providing a wide range of services. It is no surprise that the World Trade Center is an address shared by many Fortune 500 companies. WTC GIFT City Gujarat is one of the main projects of GIFT City and is proud to present studios and exclusive living spaces shaped by prestigious WTC. Welcome to Studios, a premium address in the WTC Gift City complex, a strategic investment that enables security of investment, high returns, and pride of ownership. Studios at WTC Gift City for the first few who cannot settle for the next best.
Well, that's WTC Studios for our viewers. Let's move on to the Q&A session. My first question is for you, Mr. Trivedi.
Yeah.
What are some of the immediate challenges that developers will have to face? And as a brand, how has your company planned things ahead? Mr. Trivedi.
Moreover, you can say I would like to ask the question. Present situation has for World Trade Center, it is a 330 cities and 100 countries. The present situation we have taken as an opportunity, as you must have heard, you can say lots of company from the Southeast Asia and the USA and other part of the can say world would like to move to the India from the China. At present, they all are very well dependent on the China. Even some of the Chinese companies also you can say ask us, and from the particular we are very closely working with central government and the state government. So we are taking a note and we are going to create this pandemic or this problem in the next situation, as well as we have designed our spaces with respect to scalability and adaptability factors, where it has been designed with respect to social distancing. So definitely, yes, there is a challenge for 1 or 2 months, but we see a good opportunity in the future for our World Trade Center buildings.
Thank you. Mr. Chandani, my question is for you now. How have Ahmedabadis taken to the digital shift? Now, before COVID, what was the role of online technology platforms and what is the way forward from here?
So, people have got a spare amount of time to spend the time on surfing. They are doing a lot of primary research based out of their idle time. So which has again led a lot of surge in the online property search. So if we see data from past, there has been a significant increase in the buyers who are actually looking for property, may it be commercial or residential, over the portal. So I think this pandemic or the lockdown effect has helped us big time, to get more customers on the digital front. And from our past experience in last 1.5 months, we have seen customers who are actually willing to buy and who are actually looking for a property have not refrained themselves from making the decision. So there are tools available these days, like you have online payment, you have credit card payments, you have different payment gateways, wherein the customer is making the payment and getting the property booked. So we have done few deals in commercial projects also, few in residential projects also. So this is a significant shift from offline to online.
Thank you. Mr. Joshi, now what are the USPs of WTC project? Now, also let us know how far is Gift City located from Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, and what is the connectivity like?
Okay. Basically, Gift City is located between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. It is just drive 30 minutes from Ahmedabad and 15 minutes drive to Ahmedabad airport and 7 kilometers drive from the Gandhinagar. At present, Gift City is flying AC buses from Gift City to Ahmedabad on hourly basis. Apart from that, government is running GSRTC buses from Gift City to Gandhinagar to Ahmedabad. In future, BRTS and metro connectivity will be extended to the GIFT. Facilities like Ola Uber is also available.
Can you also run us through the USPs of your project?
Okay. Basically, जो USP है कि we are giving assure return till possession. Like we give you the brand name like as a World Trade Center. And basically we are running from 4 P's like आपका security हो गया, higher returns, capital appreciation, and pride of ownership.
Yeah, on and over, I would like to add on with the Shrenik and Sneha, your question that you can say major USPs of the World Trade Center for the investors are the, you can say the investors where they're investing in any commercial, as an investor, if I invest somewhere, as you invest with us. So your concerns would be your property management, tenant search, and the rent management. So WTC, we have formed an internally an organization where investors are investing and then all the documentation are done, all the procedures are transparent. The pool of investors association will be created. We are going to manage on behalf of all the pool of customer and the trust with government body, and only investors are going to enjoy the rentals. So tenant management, tenant search, property management, all these are the major headaches, as Kamal will agree with me. All the people are asking him, Kamal, do you provide these services? So Prop Tiger may be providing, you can say, majority of the services with respect to this. So this is the major USPs for the, you can say, World Trade Center.
Thanks, Mr. Trivedi. I'd also like to understand what are the completed projects of WTC in India and the leasing status.
Yeah, as in Viridien did, we have completed our first project in the Greater Noida, which is world's largest World Trade Center, spread over 42 acres, and we have completed 20 million square feet of development, and we have leased to the day one to the Vivo Mobile company. And that was the first move we have done in India, and with the UP government mobile operating exchange, we have worked a lot on the changing the policies, and now things are operational, and more than 5,000 plus employees are working in World Trade Center Greater Noida. Second, that's a delivered project. Second is World Trade Center Gift City. We are ready with the 2 towers, and we are going to deliver soon, and shortly we are going to announce the first lease in the Gujarat Gift City itself. Third delivery we are planning in Chandigarh, which is in the Aero City. So that is ready, and in the next 1.5 years it will be ready, and shortly we are going to announce the same. The structures of these projects are ready and almost about to complete.
Thank you. Could you, now you were talking about managed spaces. So what is WTC managed space and what is the ROI expected? I'd like our viewers to understand this better. Mr. Trivedi, could you run through that as well?
Yeah, sure. You can say, as I have told you, can say the major USPs of the World Trade Center is, you can say, tenant management, property management, and rent management, and all the services to the customers from day one. The contract, what we are doing, you can say, Sneha, as you are buying a property with WTC Gift City, the day when you are very clear, this is not for the self-use. So when it is not for the self-use, it's called a non-lockable. We are not going to create a wall on the floor. So if there is a 10 offices on a floor, so there is no walls, definitely the spaces will be demarcated, well agreement done, but that complete floor will be leased out by the WTC team, and you are going to enjoy a rental with respect to proportionate share of your space over the same. So that's called WTC managed spaces.
Okay.
And the ROI expected, what we anticipate and forecast with respect to varies different from the circle to circle, from the UP, Gujarat, and everywhere. We anticipate a good ROI in the Gujarat. Initially, we are a bit of conservative from 6%, but definitely it will rise up to, you can say, 8 to 9% in the future.
Okay. That's handsome. Mr. Joshi, would you like to run us through the project presentation now, please?
Yeah, sure.
So Sneha, initial part, just to brief you, as your question was related to the Gift City and things, I just want you to, before Mr. Joshi will highlight some of the points, I would like to give you some run through about the Gift City. As you have explained well, but then again, I'll explain this. Gift City is India's first international financial service center. So far, IFSC, we have seen, heard, maybe many of our, you can say, the people who are on this webinar and the people are aware, there is a Dubai who runs on the International Financial Service Center. Singapore is basically merely an International Financial Service Center. So far all our banks, corporates, insurance companies who would like to trade in the dollar, they have to have the registered office in the Hong Kong, Singapore, London, or New York. Now in India, the GIFT is the first IFSC, and that all the banks, major export companies, insurance companies can do. So this is the 900 acre of the land has been allocated in between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar over there. GIFT City, being the first international financial service center, it should offer, you can say, state-of-the-art infrastructure, where there is a world-class roads. First time in India, we have introduced a district cooling system. District cooling system is a very unique feature in any smart city where there is no AC tap points and there is an energy efficiency. 30% it reduces your power cost. Secondly, we have a major problem we have seen all across. We have to dig. Every time we have seen we are digging our roads and problems. Once the cable one will do, then power wala do, then you can say any other person will come and dig our roads. GIFT City has a utility tunnels. All the things has been processed from there. So there is no problem with respect to digging and a utility tunnel, and the on time job will be completed. Water management, definitely, yes, we are surplus with respect to that. The new generation technology, automated waste collection, this has been provided in all the building in the GIFT City. Definitely, any township requires a water reservoir, so it's there. Power, definitely, yes. In Gujarat, we are the power surplus state, and GIFT City has a 2 grade of the power with respect to power backup as well. Fire station is there, and the major and again a very important problem which we all are facing. The GIFT City has a provision of 10,000 car park, having a 9 multi-level car park building, first time in India. Yeah. At present, as in GIFT is a next business hub of India. I hope many of the people you can say read in the newspaper. Yes, Oracle is in the Gujarat. Maybe Bombay Stock Exchange has been inaugurated by our Prime Minister. Life Insure, LIC is there in the GIFT City. TCS is running from there. Recently, our Honorable Chief Minister has inaugurated Bank of America in the GIFT City. So lots of large corporate, like you can say, are working from the GIFT City. More than 22 banks are there. You can say like HDFC Corporation Bank, and the two parts of the GIFT City, one is the SEZ and another is domestic tariff area. Domestic tariff area, we see all our major banks are already there in the GIFT City with you can say more than 5,000 plus employment they are generating from the GIFT City. We see the names: Dena Bank, HDFC Bank of Baroda, Multi Commodity Exchange, IDBI Bank. All major brands are there, you can say. Next, please. Next is the ITITES companies where we have spoken. Oracle is there, Infobim is there, TCS is already there, Maxim Integrated, and lots of other companies are also, you can say, Gujarat is setting up its IT policy. So one of the most beneficial IT policy than Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and now it's better than Telangana as well. So very shortly that will be announced by the government. So proactive government note will boost, you can say, employment and other things in the GIFT City. This is some of the same institutes occupying the space in the GIFT City SEZ IFSC area also. So they are the major leading banks like Yes Bank, Federal, IDBI, ICICI, Kotak, RBL Bank. There are insurance companies. The insurance companies who would like to do a business in the reinsurance. They are there, GIC, are there, you can say, Experience are there, AB Dobar, there you can see lots of things. And before 2 years, you can say, our Honorable Prime Minister has inaugurated first India's international exchange, BSE International Exchange in the GIFT City, as well as now the NSE International Exchange is also, you can say, operational and the trading is going on. Next, please. So I guess everybody is reading the newspaper. This is some of the clips about the GIFT City where we have seen, you can say, we may have seen these clips, you can say, where you can say, seen, sometimes I've read what I've told, you can say, Bank of America to create 1,900 jobs in the GIFT City. And Mr. Vijay Rupani, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, has inaugurated that. Sometimes may I have read, you can say, GIFT City, third most promising IFSC globally. So we are in the third rank. So there are 4 global companies may set up the base in the GIFT City. So there are lots of companies who are willing to come in India. The first note of the financial working will be set up in the Gujarat GIFT City. And there are lots of firms are working as an AI hub, and as well as very shortly there would be an AI university will be there. This is the present view when you enter into the GIFT City from the north gate. You'll see this view. There are, you can say, GIFT 1, GIFT 2 tower. There is a Hiranandani tower. There is a another tower of the brigade. So all the development which is there in place, and this is the present view of the GIFT City. Next, please. And from here onwards, I request Shrenik to throw a light on the overall project. Shrenik.
Thank you, sir. बेसिकली जो WTC का जो लेआउट है जिसमें 4 टावर रहेंगे ABCD, जो A टावर और जो D टावर रहेंगे वो G+6 स्टोरी रहेंगे, जिसमें ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे रिटेल रहेगा और फर्स्ट टू 6 फ्लोर पे ऑफिस स्पेस रहेगा. ऑफिस इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 455 स्क्वायर फीट. जो टिकट साइज रहेगी वो 35 लाख से स्टार्ट रहेगी. जो बी टावर है, जो हमारा WTC का सबसे सिग्नेचर टावर है, विच इज G+27 स्टोरी, जिसमें ग्राउंड एंड फर्स्ट आर कॉमर्शियल स्पेस रहेगी और सेकंड टू 27 माले तक ऑफिस स्पेस रहेगी. In C block, we have in ground floor, like we have a retail space, we have a 2 restaurant space. In first floor, we also have a food court. We also have a retail option, And third floor to 17th floor, we have a 1 and 2 BHK studio apartment, which is spacious 1 and 2 BHK apartment. And studios price starting from 40.80 lakhs onwards. Next. सो ये जो है लेआउट है जो ए ब्लॉक का रहेगा, जिसमें ऑफिस स्पेस का जो लेआउट है. नेक्स्ट. बी ब्लॉक जो फ्लोर प्लान जो रहेगा, जिसमें ऑफिस स्पेसिस जो है. नेक्स्ट. जैसे मैंने बताया कि सी ब्लॉक में ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे 2 रेस्टोरेंट स्पेस है, रिटेल स्पेस भी है, एटीएम स्पेस भी है. नेक्स्ट. इन फर्स्ट फ्लोर वी हैव अ फूड कोर्ट, रिटेल स्पेस ऑल्सो. जो इसमें जो रहेगा ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जो रिटेल स्पेस है हमारे पास, जो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1600 स्क्वायर फीट, एंड फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जो रहेगा वो 1340 स्क्वायर फीट से स्टार्टिंग है. नेक्स्ट. एंड these are the most spacious 1 BHK studio apartment we have. जैसे मैंने बताया कि 18 एक फ्लोर पे 18 स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट है, एक आपका 2 BHK रहेगा एंड रेस्ट आर दी 1 BHK स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट. जो साइजेस जो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 820 स्क्वायर फीट और जो प्राइस है उसकी 40.80 लाख रुपीस. ये डी ब्लॉक का अगेन ए और डी सेम रेप्लिका जो टावर है वो. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट. These are the मेन पॉइंट. जैसे अगर कोई भी बंदा बोल रहा है कि भाई जैसे मैंने बताया कि ए और जो डी टावर है, जैसे सर ने बताया था कि जो रेडी पोजीशन है, और जो बी एंड जो सी टावर है वो विच आर अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. जो बी टावर जो है सबसे जो हमारा सिग्नेचर टावर है G+27 स्टोरी, उसका पोजीशन मेनली बाय लाइक 18 to 20 मंथ्स में हम देने वाले हैं. और जो सी टावर है जो स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट वाला जो टावर है, उसका जो पोजीशन हम लोग अराउंड 2023 में हम लोग देने वाले हैं. सो उसमें क्या है कि अगर कोई बंदा अगर बोल रहा है कि भाई मैं अगर अभी से इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पैसे का क्या, लाइक अगर वो बोला है कि मैं अगर वही पैसे में अगर बैंक में रखता हूँ तो बैंक मुझे जो फिक्स लाइक जो अगर एफडी में रखता हूँ तो बैंक 6 to 7% जो उसको इंटरेस्ट देती है. तो सेम हमारे पास ये ऑप्शन है कि भाई अभी से अगर तुम इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हो तो विल गिव यू द 6% एश्योर रिटर्न टिल पोजीशन. और टिल पोजीशन आपका प्रॉपर्टी एप्रिसिएशन भी होगा, तो आपको प्रॉपर्टी का एप्रिसिएशन भी मिलेगा और यू विल गेट 6% टिल पोजीशन. नेक्स्ट. So these are the payment plan. Next.
So from here, I would like to add on the things you can say power your investment. As Shrenik has very well explained about the World Trade Center GIFT City, the design which you have seen, we are located in the heart of the GIFT City. The plot is located block number 51. All the tower design has been made with respect to concept of the temple of work. So where we can say office spaces, retail, and the studio spaces. Merely we have designed our tower A and D and projected as a small and medium scale enterprises businesses, tower B for the large businesses, and the Gujarat is a hub of the businesses. Lots of companies and the government is proactively working, and we are getting a good amount of demand for the GIFT City. And what we would like to tell you most, you can say that yes, definitely yes, your investment would be having, you can say 3 to 4 parameters. Which is required for anyone. First of all, any customer will ask, what is the security of my investment? You are going to be associated with the Gujarat International Finance Tech City and the World Trade Center brand. So global power brand, so your investment is 100% secured. Definitely, any investor would love to see, you can say, higher returns. There is a, as we have given you can say note, we have a occupancy from the day one, we have higher rental and 100% occupancy in our tower. Over the period when the buildings are leased and very well mapped and all the services are there, definitely as capital appreciation will be there. And as in I'm associated with the World Trade Center and the GIFT City, it's a pride of ownership. Next, please.
Thank you, Mr. Trivedi and Mr. Joshi, for that wonderful presentation. It really looks like a value for money deal. Now we'll quickly move over to the audience questions. We've been receiving a lot. Mr. Trivedi, my first question is for you. It's coming from Pranjal Srivastav. He asks, I'm an investor and I wish to invest in a 1 or 2 BHK unit. I want to understand which companies are operational in GIFT City. What is the total employment so that I can put my property on rent?
Yeah, at present there are 200 plus companies are working, as I have you can say explained in a presentation as well. There are 22 banks, more than 10 insurance companies. There are 3 international exchanges are operational over there, and the employment rate in the GIFT City is 11,000 plus. As well, we are this is about the GIFT City. We are expecting more than, you can say, 5,000 plus employment in the World Trade Center itself. So definitely yes, as we are aware, there would be a demand for the studio apartments. 1-bedroom studio are definitely dedicated better than the any hotel room, because if you, me, or anybody is going on the long assignment for more than 2 days or 5 days, we need a proper studio apartment with all the facilities. So Tower C is going to cater all the needs of any CEOs, general manager, or you can say any employee, you can say, where they can move on the same. So this is one of the best ideal investment for the any investor, for the studios, and this has a good return on investment.
Thank you. Now, Sharad Ahale is asking us, can you please elaborate more on lockable or non-lockable office space? Mr. Trivedi.
So lockable office space, we have a 2 type of, you can say, we have categorized our floors with respect to lockable, which is a private ownership, and where I'm willing to operate my business now, or maybe for the next generation, I'm purchasing the space, but I'm willing to operate that space. Non-lockable, as I have told you, it's a WTC managed, where you are not going to take a possession of the property. All the units will be leased out by World Trade Center team, and you are going to enjoy the rental yield out of it.
All right. Mr. Chandani, Sahil Vajrani is asking us, will buying from PropTiger mean I will be charged a higher rate by the builder?
No, it is not the case. It may be other ways around. If you buy through us, we have some good contacts and we share a good reputation with the developers. We will help you secure the good deal, and we will absolutely charge you nothing for your transaction through us.
Thank you. Mr. Joshi, Ganesh Rao Phule is asking, if I want to opt for finance, what are the available options for me?
Hello.
Mr. Joshi, yeah, am I audible?
Yeah.
So Mr. Ganesh Rao Phule is asking, if I want to opt for finance, what are the options available for me?
Basically, जो ये property है, वो will give you 100% paper. So if there anyone to like opt the finance option, so we'll give you the papers and all. So we don't.
So it is majorly approved by most of the banks, but it doesn't comes under residential purview. All the formalities will be taken care considering the commercial transaction. So it is a finance option is available, but on the basis of commercial transaction. So you have you have mortgage and commercial finance available for this project through various banks.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. Is there any special offer for buyers who will buy in your project within the next 1 or 2 months? This is Deepak Choradia asking us. Mr. Trivedi.
Mr. Deepak, even you can say the previous one, the right question, buying a property through PropTiger would be expensive, or you can say it's more negotiable. Kamal was, you can say, behind me since last 2 days. We need a special deals and special discounts for our customer. And these days, you can say lots of things are there. So definitely, yes, there would be a benefit with respect to property deals, and we have come up with a solution with respect to COVID deal or a lockdown deal, where we are going to offer you good amount of, you can say, the GST and the TDBS benefits savings on the same. Yes.
Thank you. Now, Lavina Purohit is asking us, World Trade Center, GIFT City, and World Trade Center, New York, are these the same? Mr. Trivedi.
Yes. Yes, World Trade Center, GIFT City, and the World Trade Center, New York is the same. Just to brief you about the World Trade Center brand, the founder of the World Trade Center is Mr. David Rockefeller. In 1963, he has formulated this brand and spread across the world for the, you can say, to boost the international trade. So it's from the same league. It's the same only.
We have another question coming in from Dr. Mahesh Argal, who's asking, what is the extra charges that PropTiger takes from buyers? How can I get in touch with you? Mr. Chandani.
So like I earlier mentioned, we charge absolutely nothing from our customers. It is a 0% service fees that we 0% fees that we charge for rendering our services. If you want to get in touch with us, you can drop a message on the comment box or maybe in the question and answer box. After this webinar, our sales team will get in touch with you.
Thank you. Mr. Joshi, here's a question from Gautam Nishchal, who's asking us, how is the public transport in this area, and tell me about more facilities.
ओके जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि जो एट प्रेजेंट जो है गिफ्ट सिटी से लाइक गिफ्ट सिटी एसी बसेस रन कर रही है फ्रॉम गिफ्ट सिटी टू अहमदाबाद ऑन हार्ली बेसिस. Apart from this, government is also running GSRTC bus from Gift City to Gandhinagar and Gandhinagar to Ahmedabad. And in future, BRTS and metro connectivity will be extended to Gift City. And facilities like Ola and Uber are also available as of now.
Thank you. Keemat Shahi Shekhar is asking us, what is the role of WTC in my investment and property? Mr. Trivedi.
The role of WTC would be, moreover, we can say, as I have explained you, the major things about the WTC, that's the property management, there will be tenant management and the rent distribution, and make it complex live, because we need to make a complex live with respect to new companies, trade shows, government affiliations, and all the things to be on the note with respect to business requirement. That's the role of the WTC.
Yes, Mr. Birendra Tyagi asking us, can you run me through the WTC available spaces and investment criteria? Mr. Trivedi, would you want to pick that up?
Yeah, in the WTC available spaces, we have a office space availability from the WTC manage, which we call a non-lockable. So from 455 square feet to the, you can say around 3000 square feet spaces available with us. And that ticket sites are start from 35 lakhs onwards. Studios are available and the retail showrooms are also available.
Vikas Palekar is asking us, what is WTC's association with government and other trade bodies like? Mr. Trivedi?
Sir, can you repeat the question? Yeah.
WTC association with government and other trade bodies.
Yeah, the WTC association, because when we entered into Gujarat, it was by the welcome note from the Gujarat government. As a Gift City is a Gujarat government's project. It's a it's a joint partnership between Gujarat government and Gujarat Urban Development Corporation. So the welcome note with respect to World Trade Center development in Gift City was by the government. So we are very well connected with the Gujarat government, UP government, Punjab government, and the central government with respect to our development, because we need to understand first the local business, local trade, the local stakeholder, and how the geography is running. Gujarat is a hub of the different businesses from Mehsana, Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, and the Kutch. So we have catered all the trade bodies and we have done all the association with them, and we are in line of working with them with respect to future requirements.
Thank you. Now, Geet Nautiyal is asking us, what are the prospects of WTC with respect to present scenario for leasing?
I hope everyone has gone through the last budget also. Our Honorable Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, has announced certain benefits and regime for the Gift City with respect to benefits in the IFSC, and as well as now the Gujarat government has already proactively working on the ITITS policies. And there is a benefits to the stock broking companies in the Gift City who are registered and the operational from the Gift City. So yes, there is a good amount of prospect from the finance side at present we are seeing, and we are going to close and reveal soon about our lease deals.
Okay. Mr. Chandani, here's a question coming in. Is asking, how is Ahmedabad for an investment right now?
Ahmedabad is definitely the best location if I compare to any metro or tier 2 city for that matter, because it is the only city which has all the facilities of a metro at a very low cost. And there are other factors which we need to consider, that the kind of growth which the city has seen in past 10 years has been tremendous. So be it corporate companies coming in, the level of education which has picked up, the kind of population migrating it from other feeder markets. So it becomes a very good destination for investors. Also, there is one more factor which I personally like. It's a peaceful city. Unlike as if I compare to other cities of India, it is the most peaceful city in tier 2 category. And the saleability or the affordability is again a very valid factor which needs to be considered. The prices of property are not that high as compared to other metro cities, so affordability is also can be considered, and the property prices are not that high. So if you want to invest in Ahmedabad, or if you want to purchase a property here, this is the right time. You never know, there would be times, maybe after 2 years or 3 years, that the prices shoot up like anything, and the affordability goes out of question.
Okay. Mr. Nissan Shah is asking, can you give me more details on Studio Tower C, BSP, with respect to BSP, return, discount, etc.? Mr. Trivedi, Mr. Joshi, any of you?
Yeah. So basic sales price is 6,550 rupees. और जो उसमें जो डिस्काउंटिंग प्लान है जो 95%, 50%, 25% पेमेंट प्लान, सो अकॉर्डिंगली जो पेमेंट प्लान सर ऑप्ट करते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली विल गिव यू द डिस्काउंट. एंड वी हैव आल्सो लाइक डाउन पेमेंट प्लान, एंड वी हैव आल्सो एश्योर रिटर्न प्लान आल्सो. सो अकॉर्डिंग वो कौन सा प्लान लेते हैं उसके ऊपर विल गिव यू द डिस्काउंट.
Okay. Mr. Shashi Chaudhary is asking, what is the area availability of commercial space in square feet? Now, I know we have already discussed this, but if you could go through this for the benefit of those buyers, intending buyers who might have joined us late during this webinar. Shashi Chaudhary is asking us, what is the area availability of commercial space?
Area availability, as I've told you, from the WTC managed spaces is a 455 square feet to the 700 square feet they can purchase from us. With respect to private ownership and their self-use, they can purchase 1,000, 1,500 and more than that you can say. That's available.
Okay. We have another question. I want to know, what is the minimum budget for a person to invest in WTC? How much loan can we get for that?
Minimum budget to invest in WTC, if you look at with respect to payment plan, if it is in staggered payment plan over the 18 months, so present budget required somewhere around to be paid to the WTC somewhere around 8 to 10 lakhs. Overall property cost would be 35 lakhs. If he would like to go for, you can say, any bank financing, anything, we can discuss in person, and then after we can decide on this.
Thank you. Jayesh Nanavati is asking us, what about maintenance of building over the long period with respect to repairs, painting, structural repairs, etc.?
Yeah, so what we have done, you can say, we are taking care of all the factors with respect to scalability, adaptability, and the property management. So there would be a you can say the good property management company would be hired, and as well as there is a corpus has been created, and all the things has been very well taken care from the stakeholders perspective and the property management and from the tenant perspective with respect to long run.
All right. The next question is, how much time will it take for Gift City to become fully functional like other international trading centers?
If we compare other international trading centers, none of the you can say international centers are more than 10 buildings. If you look at Dubai International Financial Center, I hope most of us has visited Dubai, but we have never seen Dubai has 2 towers only. So far, Gift has a presence of more than 25 buildings. So it's one of the most, you can say, prominent city. But overall, if you see the development, the phase 1, we are about to complete. Around, you can say, 25 buildings, and on and above it will take another, you can say, 7 to 8 years to complete entire 900 acres.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Nisarg Shah asking us, I have made investment in Tower B, which is commercial. How far has the rate moved since 2014? Mr. Trivedi.
Since 2014, you can say, if someone has invested in the last quarter of 2014, so the rate has been escalated to somewhere around 30%, more than 30% in the property. So there is a good capital appreciation.
Yeah, that's handsome. What are the amenities available? Now, again, I think, this person might have joined us late, but could you just reiterate for the benefit of some of the viewers?
Amenities in terms of GIFT City is India's first model smart city. So there is as I have explained you, yes, the major things which we need to take care in the any smart cities and the commercial development zone that requires a district cooling system to save the power and increase the efficiency of the manpower. Because there's a chilled water supplies will increase the efficiency of the manpower. Secondly, multi-level car parkings are there, world-class roads are there, automated waste collection system is there, and the utility tunnels are there. So all the things are the package and the packet in the GIFT City, which you can say that there is no problem, no moment, any development, any building as it's well connected through utility tunnels. So it's a go live and no problem with respect to future moves.
We'll pick up one final question, Mr. Chandani. Somebody is asking us, is this the right time to buy?
Yes, again, I would say, I've been covering this up a couple of times. This is the right time to buy, not because the prices have gone down. It is the right time to buy because you have multiple payment flexibility available across developers. So even if we talk about WTC, so they are coming up with decent, and very lucrative, I would say, very lucrative payment plans. You can choose a unit of your choice and expect some good returns in the coming future. And no one in the market gives you a short rental or a short return. So I think this is the right time to buy a property. And with the central government also having a lot of focus in GIFT City, I think this becomes the right destination for your investment.
Thank you, Mr. Chandani. Well, we've come to the close of this webinar, but before we wind up, we'd like to play a small video for all of you.
Sneha, just a moment. If we are not able to answer any of our existing customers, you can say queries or anything which I was looking, but the time of the webinar is getting over. You can get in touch with my colleague Shrenik Joshi. Any thing you can say related to your investment with us, you can get in touch with Shrenik Joshi. He will help you out with the concerned relationship manager and will resolve your query. Thank you.
Could we play the video now, please?
Yeah, please.
Well, thank you for that. We'll wind this up for the lack of time with a closing statement from all our panelists, beginning with you, Mr. Trivedi.
Yeah, thank you so much. In this particular pandemic time, everybody has take out their valuable time for us because we have lots of things to do. As earlier we have discussed, there's a digitalize and lots of giving us your valuable time. Thank you so much. It's one of the best. And stay safe. Make a distance. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Joshi.
So first of all, thank you all of you जो आपने time spend किया. And thank you to all जो participant जिन्होंने watch किया और जो भी queries है we'll resolve it in offline. Thank you so much.
Mr. Chandani.
So I think that small video was of a big message, and I would, on the same grounds, I would like to wish all my viewers good health. Please stay at home, stay safe. For all your property needs, we are there to assist you. In case we have missed to answer any of your queries, you can drop in your comments in the comment box. We will get in touch with you after the webinar. Thanks once again, and be safe.
Yeah.
Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering the queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. We hope to have answered some of your queries. Should you have any questions, our representatives will get back to you. You could also use our social media handles to drop in these questions. So till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.
Thank you, Sneha.